Welcome, little explorers. Today, we're going to learn some magical words about vegetables in English. Vegetables are fantastic. Here are a few common types of vegetables we're going to learn today. Let's start with broccoli. Broccoli is green and very healthy. We say broccoli. Next up is the carrot. Carrots are orange and excellent for our eyes. In English, we say carrot. Let's take a look at corn. Corn is yellow and very tasty. In English, we say corn. And now, the tomato. Tomatoes are red and used for making sauces and salads. We say tomato in English. And finally, the potato. Potatoes are brown, and we can prepare them in many ways. In English, we say potato. Well done, little explorers. Now we know some new words about vegetables in English. Keep learning and exploring the world around you.